Happy Julian, followed by Double Strike, Alang Kaniapi in third, Metal Strength, then followed by Douglas Spear, moving up now in the middle, Princess Bella, while Dolia Rama is riding in the tail of the field, and as they settle now, Happy Julian leads by Sam 3 lengths, followed by Double Strike, 4 lengths for the back now, Douglas Spear, then followed by Princess Bella. Along Princess Belle is a Metal Strength, then followed by Dolia Rama, and as they pass half mile, it is the Lucky Julian with 2 lengths leader, coming close now in second. Double Strike, 4 lengths for the back now, Metal Strength, moving up is Douglas Spear now for the outside, then for the inside, Dolia Rama, while Princess Belle now running in the tail of the field. Towards the last 400, no change with the leader, that's Lucky or Happy Julian leads by Sam 3 lengths now, followed by Double Strike. Final turn now is still Happy Julian leads by Sam 2 lengths. Dolia Rama and moving up, Metal Strength in the middle. Double Strike from the outside. Happy Julian hanging out. It's Happy Julian. Here comes Metal Strength. Dolia Rama, Metal Strength. Happy Julian, Metal Strength. Happy Julian. And afterward, going to be close. Happy Julian, Metal Strength, Dolia Rama. They're up. American Dream rose for the leader. Rushing up now by the outside is the Black Star. And as they settle now, American Dream leads by Triple Baleng, followed by Black Star. And a very close third now, Tour of Choice, then followed over by Professor Jones, next in line, the Keys, then followed by Big Battle, while Malibu Princess is running in a tail of the fielder. And as they pass up mile, matching stride now, American Dream, Black Star by the outside, second, 2 lengths by the back, Tour of Choice. But still American Dream leads by line, followed by Black Star. Then 2.5 lengths in third, Tool of Choice, and here comes Big Battle, then followed by the Kiss. 4 lengths back, Malibu Princess, while Professor Jones now running in the tail of the field. Towards the last 400, American Dream hanging on, Black Star 1 second on the outside. And final turn now, American Dream still in front, followed by Black Star. Moving up now by the wheelies, the Keys, Big Battle from the outside, Tool of Choice, Malibu Princess, and Professor Jones, but still American Dream leads on the outside by half a length, and followed by the Keys. And hitting the finish line is now Big Battle, American Dream, the Keys, and Black Star. Horses out the Nebra as they begin Great Britain on the outside, Sister Moon, a Super Earth in fourth position, down on the inside, Pip Hakim, then followed by VG Trumpeter and High Roller race the early trailer. Great Britain, the leader by about 2 lengths in Nebra, Sister Moon. Rushing up now to take second, and in fourth, Super Earth, Hakim in fifth position, then followed over by BG, Trumpeter, and High Roller still racing in last. Great Britain still in front by about 2 lengths, Sister Moon still in second, Ginebra. Here comes Hakim, coming closer in fourth. Together on the outside, fifth is Super Earth. Great Britain just in front. Here comes Sister Moon now to take the lead. Sister Moon takes the lead. Great Britain in second, Hakim. Here comes Super Earth, Ginebra in fifth position, and High Roller with Sister Moon by about 2.5 lengths. Great Britain. Here comes Super Earth on the outside, Hakim in third. Sister Moon, Super Earth, Hakim. As the field turns for home, now we have Super Earth takes the lead. And in second, Sister Moon, Hakim on the outside, third, down to the finish. And it's still Super Earth, Hakim on the outside. Super Earth, Hakim, but it's still Super Earth. And finally, it's the same old story for Super Earth, Hakim. Then comes Sister Moon, Trumpeter, Ginebra. Horses out, aces grumble for front position, moving up the body outside under pressure. Agitaw, Mississippi, light better in fourth, Orange Bell. Then next in line is Elegant Lady. Mississippi under pressure. Now moving up on the outside. Under pressure, Mississippi fighting it out for the leader. 3 lengths watching in third is light better. Agitaw moving up, Elegant Lady. Shanghai Silk, Orange Bell, and Easy Does It is running at the tail of the field. Under pressure, Mississippi keep on matching their strides together. Light better still in third. Elegant Lady still in fourth. Shanghai Silk, Agitaw, Orange Bell. Under pressure, and Mississippi fighting it out for the leader. Mississippi under pressure on the outside. Light better. Here comes Elegant Lady and Shanghai Silk with Miss Hibiki takes the lead under pressure on the outside. Elegant Lady then followed by Light Better. Shanghai Silk as the field turns for Roma with Miss Hibiki by about 3 lengths. Under pressure still in second. Elegant Lady, Shanghai Silk, and down to the finish. And it's still Miss Hibiki, Shanghai Silk, Elegant Lady on the outside. Miss Hibiki still in front. And finally, it's Miss Hibiki, Elegant Lady close. Easy Does It. Shanghai Silk, Light Better.
They're up. Sweetie Giselle moving up and will now is October 14 showing speed now. Caraga Wonder is now Caraga Wonder being chased by Sweetie Giselle. Then followed by Octubre 14, Alindo is next in line who's racing in fourth. Down in P5, Sam 2 lengths, Love Radio alongside now Central Bank, 5 lengths away top of the line. Then followed now by 7 of Diamonds. Well, Destiny is running in the tail of the field. And pass up mile, Caraga Wonder holding on with the neck leader. Here comes Octubre 14. Then a length coming up the favorite Sweetie Giselle, 5 lengths away to Alindok. Love Radio is next in line, picking up now is Central Bank, 5 lengths away, 7 of Diamonds. Top of the line while Destiny is running in the tail of the field. Towards the last 400, Octubre 14 now has taken the leader. Caraga Wonder, Sweetie Giselle, Central Bank now by the outside. Done from the inside, Alindok sneaking in now, 7 of Diamond down the stretch they go. Octubre 14, Alindok, Central Bank now by the outside, Alindok, Octubre 14, and finally a long shot, Alindok, Octubre 14, 7 of Diamond, Central.
Horses out, we have Sir William fast to begin rushing about the and now racing eagerly for the lead is Zenshi Spirit. Zenshi Spirit takes the lead, Sir William in second, and in third moving up now is Sky Story. Sophisticated comes next on the outside is a My Jopay. Second last open billing and Batang Cabrera is running at the tail of the field with Zenshi Spirit. Goes on by about 2.5 lengths. Sir William still in second, is Sky Story in third, and in fourth, Sophisticated My Jopa in fifth position. Batang Cabrera and Open Billing. And it's still Zenshi Spirit now by about 4 lengths. Sir William still in second, is Sky Story on the outside third, and in fourth position, Sophisticated. Here comes Open Billing, Batang Cabrera and My Jopay. And out the last 400, and it's still Zenshi Spirit now racing away by about 6 lengths. Sir William still in second, on the outside is Sky Story, Open Billing and Sophisticated, and it's still Zenshi Spirit by about 7 lengths. Sir William, Sophisticated, Open Billing, and finally Zenshi Spirit second. Open Billing close, Sophisticated, Sir William. Then comes Sky. Horses out, you have kahit sino ka pa. Gets away immediately, moving up King Wash County outside, down on the inside, National Treasure, Magical Sap, Quincy, Rahabago, and Sapin is running at the tail of the field. Ace of a leader, kahit Sino ka pa? By about 7 lengths. Magical Sap in second. National Treasure in third alongside fourth. Quincy. King Washko in fifth alongside Rahabago. And Sapin is running at the tail of the field. That's still kahit. Sino ka pa? By about 6 lengths. National Treasure now in second. Magical Sap. Here comes Rahabago. Now coming closer on the outside for Quincy and Sapin, but it's still kahit. Sino ka pa? By about 4 lengths. National Treasure now in second. And moving up now on the outside, Sapin, Magical Sap, and Rahabago. Kahit sino ka pa, National Treasure, Sapin on the outside, Magical Sap, and Rahabago. As the field turns for home, we have National Treasure this time by about 2 lengths. Sapin now on the outside second. National Treasure moving up now is Sapin to take the lead. It's now Sapin, National Treasure. And finally Sapin, National Treasure. Close between Quincy and Rahabago.
They're up. It's a scramble for front position, rushing up the Pacific, joined by top of the mark. And 2 lengths for the back, Jacqueline, radio outside now at the favorite. That's my Diamond, and 4 lengths back, my dear Magnolia, next line, starting fade. Double time now, party outside, and as they settle now, it's top of the mark in front by some 2.5 lengths, followed by top Pulseria. And here comes my Diamond for the outside, 2 lengths for the back in for this Jacqueline. 4 lengths away in fifth, stunning Faith, and followed by my dear Magnolia. Next in line is Bali Bell, and long way back, double timer. And towards the last 400, and at the last 400 now, my Diamond takes the lead at top of the mark. Top Jose, sneaking by Jacqueline is in the middle portion. Stunning Fate is coming home to now. Final turn, my Diamond. Top Jose now collided in front. It's still my Diamond with 2 lengths lead. Top Jose. Jacqueline Balibel coming from behind now at the rail. Stunning Fate. That is still my Diamond. And finally, my Diamond. Top Jose close. Balibel close. Stunning Fate.